What's up guys, today I'm checking out a limited edition controller by GameSir. So this is the G7 Pro Dragon's Dogma 2 edition. Now this thing looks like a collector's piece, but it's packing TMR sticks, wireless support and some serious features under the hood. So is this actually worth the price? Well, let's find out, shall we? Roll the intro. First of all, inside the box, you will find your paperwork user manual, you get some GameSir stickers, you get a 1-month pass included for Game Pass Ultimate, you get some spare D-pads to play with, you get high quality braided USB-C to USB-A charging cable. The charging dock is also included and you can see the Dragon's Dogma 2 logo on the front, and on the back there is a Type-C port, and underneath there is a latch, and inside you will find a USB dongle. That's your 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle. You can leave that plugged in and just connect that to your computer, and that will give you the 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. And last but certainly not least, the controller itself. And check out that incredible Dragon's Dogma 2 design. So straight away, it feels more like a complete setup rather than a basic controller. Now, in terms of price, this special edition comes in at £99, which puts it firmly in that mid-range category. Now at that price, you are expecting more than just a nice design. And to be fair, this does come with some proper features like TMR sticks, tri-mode connectivity, and of course you get that charging dock included. So it's not just about design, you are getting the full package here. Alright, now let's talk design. Now straight away you've got that Dragon's Dogma 2 themed finish, and it actually looks properly done. It's not just slapped on, the artwork is detailed, clean, and it gives that controller that premium collector's feel. On top of that, the faceplate is magnetic and fully swappable. So you can remove the faceplate, and underneath you can see you've got that transparent finish. So you can get different designs and slap it on. Now in terms of build quality, this feels solid in the hands. You've got a matte finish with textured grips, which makes it comfortable for a longer gaming session and gives you better control. The weight is nicely balanced as well. Not too heavy and not too light. Now for the layout, it's standard Xbox style design, so everything feels familiar straight away. You've got the offset thumbsticks, ABXY buttons, you've got D-pad and the bumpers where you would expect them. But then you've got extras. There are 2 additional bumpers on top and you have 2 additional back buttons, giving you 4 programmable buttons in total, which is great for gaming. The buttons themselves feel tactile and responsive thanks to microswitch technology, and the D-pad also has a more precise mechanical feel. The D-pad is also replaceable, so you can remove and replace with the included designs. Moving over to the triggers, you've got Hall effect triggers with adjustable stops. So you can switch between full control or quicker, more responsive inputs depending on the type of game you're playing. Then the thumbsticks uses mag-res TMR technology, which is basically the next step beyond Hall effect, giving you smoother motion, better precision and long-term durability with no stick drift. Now additionally, the R4 and L4 paddle buttons can also be locked into place so they don't do anything. So you don't accidentally press them, you can lock them up. If you need them, you can then release them. And then you have another switch at the center which lets you choose between Bluetooth mode or 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode. Now on the performance side, you've got a 1000 Hz polling rate on PC, which means extremely fast response times, along with gyroscope support on PC for added control in supported games. You also got 4 rumble motors built in, which gives you more immersive feedback during gameplay. And importantly, this is a tri-mode controller, meaning you've got wired support for Xbox, 2.4 gigahertz wireless for PC, and then you've got the Bluetooth support for your Android games. So overall, it's way more versatile than a typical wired controller. So when you look at everything together, the design, the build quality, the button layout and the technology, this isn't just about looks, it's actually a well thought out controller with some proper features behind it. And the charging dock is really neat as well. You just dock it in place, plug this into your PC via the Type-C port. So every time you lift the controller up, it will automatically connect to your PC. And every time you drop it down, it will close the connection and start charging the controller at the same time. Now in real gameplay, this controller actually performs properly well. Those TMR sticks feel smooth and precise, Small movements are easy, aiming feels controlled, and overall it just feels consistent. In fast-paced games, you really notice that responsiveness, especially with the high polling rate. And if you switch to trigger stops, you get that instant response, perfect for your FPS games. So comfort-wise, no issues at all. Long sessions feel fine, no fatigue, and the grip holds up well.
More of them.
And with the GameSir Nexus 2.0 software, you can customize pretty much everything. You can tweak the stick sensitivity and curves, trigger response, button mapping, gyro controls. It's actually quite powerful without being complicated, which is what you want. So you can fine-tune the controller to match your playstyle without spending ages in settings. So overall, the GameSir G7 Pro Dragon's Dogma 2 Limited Edition is definitely more than just a collector's item. Yes, the design is a big part of the appeal, but underneath that, you've got a seriously capable controller. You're getting the next-gen TMR sticks, tri-mode connectivity including wireless and a charging dock, and strong performance overall. So at £99, it actually starts to make a lot of sense when you look at everything included. If you want something unique that also performs properly well, this is a strong option. That's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming up next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.